In this video of Christopher Reads the Help Files, I'll be doing the profiles workflow. Refer to this section for high-level descriptions of tasks you perform when working with profiles and profile views. The first one is to create profiles. Follow this sequence to design and display profiles. Ensure that your drawing contains all relevant surfaces. If necessary, add surfaces by importing their DWG, XML, TIN, or text files. Identify the horizontal alignment. The alignment specifies the centerline route along which to sample elevations for the profile. Create the surface profile and offsets or export feature lines as profiles. Optionally, add offset profiles to the left and right of the centerline profile. If you have existing corridors, you can create profiles directly from the corridor feature lines. Create a profile view. Create a profile view to display and annotate the profile and offsets for analysis purposes. Create a superimposed profile. If the profile view includes the profile of any other or any linear feature not parallel to the main alignment, create a superimposed profile. Create profile sheets for plotting. Use the plan production tools for creating profile sheets for plotting. So I'm not sure what means. I don't think this is a feature in Civil 3D. We share data from other DWG by using data references. So I'm not quite sure what that, like XML, TIN, or text files kind of makes sense, but the import DWG doesn't quite make sense. And then to set up labels and bands for profiles, use standards to create consistent format for the profiles in a drawing. Standard format and content for profiles is often required to comply with your requirements or to make it easier to compare several profiles. You can create these formats and content standards with styles and settings for profiles, profile views, labels, and data bands. The following process helps you evaluate existing styles and settings and to decide whether to change anything. Create a profile from an existing alignment. Create a profile from an existing alignment and display the profile on a profile view. Add profile view labels. Manually place a few profile view labels for station, elevation, and depth. Add data bands. Add data bands above or below the profile grid, ensuring that you have one of each type that you need. Review profile styles. Review the standards for the graphed profile line. Review profile label styles. Review the standards for the automatic labels along the profile line. Review the standards for manual labels in the profile view. Review profile view styles. Review the standards for the profile view title, axis, annotation, grid, and ticks. Review profile view band styles. Review the standards for the data bands above or below the profile view grid. I'm just interested to know if graphed line profile is used anywhere else in help. So it really doesn't make sense. So I guess I can come back here. Because that's kind of, I would say just profile line, but adding the word graphed I think kind of makes it confusing because there's really not a graph I mean, it's really a profile view. I mean, I guess you're graphing it along the profile view. But I guess it just doesn't make sense. But this is a pretty short one. This is profiles workflow. If Christopher reads the help file.